Mother Nature. Some call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people. People need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive, or worse. When I falter, you falter, or worse. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My ocean, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they can all take you or leave you. How will you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me? Doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other way, your action will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?